Welcome to Word of the Day. Today's word is pandiculation. When someone wakes up from sleep and stretches his arms and legs, the phenomenon is called pandiculation. It prevents the buildup of tension in our muscles, which is crucial to maintain a healthy posture and movement throughout our lives. In fact, in order to maintain our health, pandiculation is equal to exercise and a balanced diet. Humans, like all vertebrate animals, tend to automatically pandiculate when we wake up or when we have been sedentary for a while. If you have ever seen a dog or a cat arching their back when they get up from a nap, or watched a baby stretch their arms and legs as they wake up, you have witnessed the pandicular response. So is stretching and stiffening of the trunk and extremities as when fatigued and drowsy or on waking, often accompanied by yawning, is called pandiculation. Let's have a look on its sentence. Before my feet hit the floor, my typical morning pandiculation process of yawning begin. And this was Word of the Day. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.